मेरे साथ बहस करना बंद करो। Stop arguing with me. Stop arguing with me. मैं तुमसे तंग आ चुका हूँ। I am tired of you. I am tired of you. तुम कभी नहीं सुधरोगे। You will never change. You will never change. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ। Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. बहुत देर हो चुकी है। It's too late. It's too late. मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा। I will go there. I will go there. तेज बोलो। Speak fast. Speak fast. मेरा इंतजार करना। Wait for me. Wait for me. इसके बारे में सोचो। Think about it. Think about it. आप किसे प्यार करते हो? Who do you love? Who do you love? उसे जल्दी बुलाओ। Call him quickly. Call him quickly. अब सोने का समय हो गया। It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. ज़्यादा देर तक जगना मत। Don't stay up too late. Don't stay up too late. कल रात मुझे एक सपना आया। I had a dream last night. I had a dream last night. कल रात मैंने एक बुरा सपना देखा। I had a bad dream last night. I had a bad dream last night. मैं सारी रात सो नहीं सकता। I cannot sleep all night. I cannot sleep all night. क्या आपको अच्छी नींद आई? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? हाँ, मैं ठीक ही सोया। Yes, I slept fine. Yes, I slept fine. आज कपकपाती ठंड है। It is freezing cold today. It is freezing cold today. मुझे यह चाहिए। I need this. I need this. खुश रहो। Be happy. Be happy. चुप रहो। Be quiet. Be quiet. काफी है। Is enough. Is enough. मैं ठीक हूँ। I am fine. I am fine. और कुछ? Anything else? Anything else? और कुछ नहीं। Nothing else. Nothing else. क्या गलत है? What's wrong? What's wrong? यह मेरा वादा है। It's my promise. It's my promise. थोड़ा और लीजिए। Have a little more. Have a little more. कितने घमंडी हो आप। How arrogant you are. How arrogant you are. मेरा इंतज़ार करना। Wait for me. Wait for me. इसके बारे में सोचो। Think about it. Think about it. मुझे कल फ़ोन करिएगा। Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता। I don't think so. I don't think so. मुझे नहाने दो। Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. बकवास मत करो। Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. वह बहुत अच्छा है। He is very nice. He is very nice. तैयार होकर आओ। Come prepared. Come prepared. शोर मचाना बंद करो। Stop making noise. Stop making noise. परीक्षा का समय है। It is exam time. It is exam time. आज कितनी तारीख है? What is the date today? What is the date today? ये किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? सब दुखी हैं। Everyone is sad. Everyone is sad. तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ। I am getting bored. I am getting bored. मैं क्या करूँ? What shall I do? What shall I do? अपनी किताब बंद करो। Close your book. Close your book. अपना होमवर्क जमा करो। Submit your homework. Submit your homework. कल अपनी कॉपी लाना। Bring your notebook tomorrow. Bring your notebook tomorrow. अब सोने का समय हो गया। It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. ज़्यादा देर तक जगना मत। Don't stay up too late. Don't stay up too late. कल रात मुझे एक सपना आया। I had a dream last night. I had a dream last night. मैं सारी रात सो नहीं सकता। I cannot sleep all night. I cannot sleep all night. ध्यान दो। Pay attention. Pay attention. अपनी कॉपी साफ रखो। Keep your notebook clean. Keep your notebook clean. चिल्लाओ मत। डोंट साउंड, डोंट साउंड। बोर्ड पर आओ। कम टू द बोर्ड, कम टू द बोर्ड। बोर्ड साफ करो। इरेज द बोर्ड, इरेज द बोर्ड। खड़े हो जाओ। स्टैंड अप, स्टैंड अप। बैठ जाओ। सिट डाउन, सिट डाउन। कक्षा में शामिल हो जाओ। ज्वाइन द क्लास, ज्वाइन द क्लास। कक्षा मिस मत करो। डोंट मिस द क्लास, डोंट मिस द क्लास। क्या आपको अच्छी नींद आई? डिड यू स्लीप वेल? डिड यू स्लीप वेल? हाँ, मैं ठीक ही सोया। यस, आई स्लीप्ड वेल। यस, आई स्लीप्ड वेल। देर मत करो। डोंट बी लेट, डोंट बी लेट। अपनी किताबें लाओ। ब्रिंग योर बुक्स, ब्रिंग योर बुक्स। तुम्हें कैसी नींद आई? हाउ डिड यू स्लीप? हाउ डिड यू स्लीप? मुझे ऐसा लगता है। I think so, I think so। यह संभव है। It is possible, it is possible। पागल हो क्या? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? यह तुम्हारे लिए है। This is for you, this is for you। शांत हो जाओ। Calm down, calm down। मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा। I will go there, I will go there। तेज बोलो। Speak fast, speak fast। मेरा इंतजार करना। Wait for me, wait for me। इसके बारे में सोचो। Think about it, think about it। आप किसे प्यार करते हो? Who do you love? Who do you love? उसे जल्दी बुलाओ। Call him quickly, call him quickly। मुझे कल फ़ोन करिएगा। Call me tomorrow, call me tomorrow। मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता। I do not think so, I do not think so। आज कितनी तारीख है? What date is it today? What date is it today? ये किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? समझ आया? Did you understand? Did you understand? समझ आ गया। I've got it. I've got it. खुद से प्यार करो। Love yourself. Love yourself. यह पाप है। This is a sin. This is a sin. मुझे यह चाहिए। I need this. I need this. खुश रहो। Be happy. Be happy. चुप रहो। Be quiet. Be quiet. काफी है। Is enough. Is enough. मैं ठीक हूँ। I am fine. I am fine. और कुछ? Anything else? Anything else? और कुछ नहीं। Nothing else? Nothing else? क्या गलत है? What's wrong? What's wrong? यह मेरा वादा है। It's my promise. It's my promise. थोड़ा और लीजिए। Have a little more. Have a little more. मुझे तुम पर नाज है। I am proud of you. I am proud of you. मुझे घर छोड़ दो। Drop me home. Drop me home. मुझे नींद आ रही है। I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. मुझे नहीं मालूम। I don't know. I don't know. उसे गाली मत दो। Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. मुझे नहाने दो। Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. बकवास मत करो। Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. वह बहुत अच्छा है। He is very nice. He is very nice. तैयार होकर आओ। Come prepared. Come prepared. शोर मचाना बंद करो। Stop making noise. Stop making noise. परीक्षा का समय है। It is exam time. It is exam time. साफ सुथरा लिखो। Write neatly. Write neatly. दूसरों से नकल मत करो। Don't copy from others. Don't copy from others. आपका उत्तर सही है। Your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. आपका उत्तर गलत है। Your answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. इसे मेरे पास रखो। Keep it with me. Keep it with me. अपनी किताब खोलो। Open your book. Open your book. अपनी किताब बंद करो। Close your book. Close your book. अपना होमवर्क जमा करो। Submit your homework. Submit your homework. कल अपनी कॉपी लाना। Bring your notebook tomorrow. Bring your notebook tomorrow. पाठ समाप्त हो गई है। The lesson is over. The lesson is over. वह काम कर रहा है। He is working. He is working. चलिए पाठ शुरू करते हैं। Let's start the lesson. Let's start the lesson. कक्षा में बात मत करो। Don't talk in the class. Don't talk in the class. ध्यान दो। Pay attention. Pay attention. अपनी कॉपी साफ रखो। Keep your notebook clean. Keep your notebook clean. चिल्लाओ मत। Don't sound. Don't sound. बोर्ड पर आओ। Come to the board. Come to the board. बोर्ड साफ करो। Erase the board. Erase the board. खड़े हो जाओ। Stand up. Stand up. बैठ जाओ। Sit down. Sit down. कक्षा में शामिल हो जाओ। Join the class. Join the class. कक्षा मिस मत करो। Don't miss the class. Don't miss the class. अपना हाथ उठाओ। Raise your hand. Raise your hand. ठीक से बैठो। Sit properly. Sit properly. देर मत करो। Don't be late. Don't be late. अपनी किताबें लाओ। Bring your books. Bring your books. अपना होमवर्क करो। Do your homework. Do your homework. एक तरफ हट जाओ। Move side. Move side. आगे बढ़ो। Move forward. Move forward. कितना प्यारा है। How cute. How cute. क्या मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले लूं? Can I take a day off? Can I take a day off? कल मेरी छुट्टी है। Tomorrow is my day off. Tomorrow is my day off. मुझे छींकें आ रही है। I am sneezing. I am sneezing. मुझे रोज हिचकियाँ आती हैं। I hiccup every day. I hiccup every day. वास्तव में उसने क्या कहा था? What did she actually say? What did she actually say? भूलना मत। Don't forget. Don't forget. मैं हिल नहीं सकता। I can't move. I can't move. उसे ढूंढने दो। Let him find out. Let him find out. क्या खुशबू है? What a fragrance. What a fragrance. मैंने इसे अभी बनाया है। I just made it. I just made it. क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? मुझे पता था। I knew it. I knew it. क्या वो चला गया? Has he gone? Has he gone? वो अब यहाँ नहीं है। Watch out. Watch out. यह एक लंबी कहानी है। It's a long story. It's a long story. बाद में मत पछताना। Don't regret later. Don't regret later. इतने कंजूस मत बनो। Don't be such a miser. Don't be such a miser. सोच समझ कर जवाब देना। Answer me thoughtfully. Answer me thoughtfully. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ रहा हूँ। I am not coming with you. I am not coming with you. यह मेहमानों के लिए है। This is for the guests. This is for the guests. मुझे कॉल मत करो। Don't call me. Don't call me. कम से कम एक बार तो आओ। Come at least once. Come at least once. क्या तुम अभी अभी उठी हो? I don't want your pity. I don't want your pity. ये सब क्या है? What is all this? What is all this? मैं थोड़ा ले लूं? Can I take a little bit? Can I take a little bit? अभी नहीं। Not yet. Not yet. पर मुझे अभी चाहिए था। But I wanted it right now. But I wanted it right now. कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या? Is something wrong? Is something wrong? नहीं, कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं है। No, nothing is wrong. No, nothing is wrong. मैं तुमसे बाद में मिलती हूँ। I will catch you later. I will catch you later. इसे जल्दी करो। डू इट फास्ट। डू इट फास्ट। उसे अंदर लाओ। ब्रिंग हिम इट। ब्रिंग हिम इन। ज्यादा मत बोलो। डोंट टॉक टू मच। डोंट टॉक टू मच। मेरी तरफ देखो। लुक एट मी। लुक एट मी। मेरी सलाह मानो। टेक माई एडवाइस। टेक माई एडवाइस। बाहर कदम मत रखना। डोंट स्टेप आउटसाइड। डोंट स्टेप आउटसाइड। इसे मत छुओ। डोंट टच इट। डोंट टच इट। आइए शुरू करें। लेट गेट स्टार्टेड। लेट गेट स्टार्टेड। खाना खाओ। ईट फूड। ईट फूड। खुश रहो। स्टे हैप्पी। स्टे हैप्पी। तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? हमारे पास समय है। We have time. We have time. मैं आपको बहुत याद करती हूँ। I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going? Where are we going? हम घर जा रहे हैं। We are going to home. We are going to home. बाद में बात करते हैं। Talk to you later. Talk to you later. क्या आप उसे देख सकते हैं? Can you see her? Can you see her? तुम्हारी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? मैं और आगे नहीं बता सकता। I can't explain further. I can't explain further. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है। The truth is always better. The truth is always better. मेरी बातों का बुरा मत मानो। Don't mind my words. Don't mind my words. अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो। Use your brain. Use your brain. मुझे घर छोड़ दो। Drop me home. Drop me home. कल मिलते हैं। See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. इसे दिल पर मत लो। Don't take it too hard. Don't take it too hard. मैं परेशानी में हूँ। I am in trouble. I am in trouble. मेरे साथ पंगे मत लो। Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. संपर्क में रहना। Keep in touch. Keep in touch. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना। डू मी अ फेवर। डू मी अ फेवर। मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा। आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। मूर्ख मत बनो। डोंट बी सिली। डोंट बी सिली। बहुत देर हो चुकी है। इट्स टू लेट। इट्स टू लेट। यह काबिले तारीफ है। He is worth praising. He is worth praising. ये तुम्हारा वहम है। It's your illusion. It's your illusion. वह बहुत घमंडी है। He is so arrogant. He is so arrogant. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ। I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? उसे अंदर बुलाओ। Call him inside. Call him inside. मुझे सब पता है। I know everything. I know everything. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? क्या यह सच है? Is this true? Is this true? मुझे बताओ। Tell me. Tell me. वह क्यों सो रहा है? Why is he sleeping? Why is he sleeping? मुझे मदद चाहिए। I need help. I need help. क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? मुझे कुछ चाहिए। I need something. I need something. यह बहुत बड़ा है। It is very big. It is very big. वह कब आ रहा है? When is he coming? When is he coming? इसे ध्यान से करो। Do it carefully. Do it carefully. हमें इंतजार करना है। We have to wait. We have to wait. वापस आओ। Come back. Come back. मेरे बाद दोहराओ। Repeat after me. Repeat after me. मैं चल नहीं सकता। I can't walk. I can't walk. यह कैसे हुआ? How did it happen? How did it happen? चलो छुपना छुपी खेलते हैं। Let's play hide and seek. Let's play hide and seek. मेरी बात सुनो। Listen to me. Listen to me. इसे मत करो. Don't do it. Don't do it. आप मेरी मदद करो. Help me up. Help me up. खाली मत बैठो. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की. He never cared about me. He never cared about me. आप मेरा समय बर्बाद कर रहे हो. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. आप होश में तो हैं. Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I think so. I think so. मैं खो गया हूँ. I am lost. I am lost. आँख मत मारो. Don't wink. Don't wink. ध्यान रहे. Watch out. Watch out. यह संघर्ष करने का समय है. It is time to struggle. It is time to struggle. क्या आपको समझ आया? Did you get it? Did you get it? मेरा खाना खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. I don't feel like eating. I don't feel like eating. जरा देखने तो दो. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ रहा हूँ. I am not coming with you. I am not coming with you. मैं आस पास ही था. I was around. I was around. जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूँगा. I will do whatever I feel. I will do whatever I feel. मैं नाराज़ हूँ. I am pissed off. I am pissed off. मुझे तुम्हारी दया नहीं चाहिए. I don't want your pity. I don't want your pity. तुम कुछ कहो. You say something. You say something. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are awesome. You are awesome. यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? उससे बात करो. Talk to him. Talk to him. मैंने बहुत सफाई की. I cleared it up. I cleared it up. बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. मुझे यह करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. ईर्ष्या मत करो. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ाता हूँ। I study English. I study English. मुझे एक मौका दो। Give me a chance. Give me a chance. मुझे वापस कॉल करना। Call me back. Call me back. तुम गलत हो। You are wrong. You are wrong. धीरे धीरे चलो। Walk slowly. Walk slowly. मुझे भूख नहीं है। I am not hungry. I am not hungry. यहाँ रुको। Stay here. Stay here. मैं सब कुछ देखता हूँ। I observe everything. I observe everything. क्या सब तैयार हैं? Is everyone ready? Is everyone ready? चुगली मत करो। Don't backbite. Don't backbite. टेंशन मत लो। Don't take tension. Don't take tension. अपनी हद में रहो। Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits. यह तो ठीक नहीं है। This is not fair. This is not fair. अपना स्वभाव बदलो। Change your behavior. Change your behavior. यह तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है। It's your duty. It's your duty. तुमने अच्छा काम किया। You did a good job. You did a good job. बातों को घुमाओ मत। Don't twist the words. Don't twist the words. एक महीना हो गया है। It has been a month. It has been a month. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे माफ कर दो। Please forgive me. Please forgive me. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What's in your pocket? What's in your pocket? जोर से बोलो। Speak loudly. Speak loudly. थोड़ी देर इंतजार करो। Wait for a while. Wait for a while. मेरा पीछा मत करो। Don't follow me. Don't follow me. चलो घूमने चले। Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? यह हमारा कर्तव्य है। It's our duty. It's our duty. मेरा हाथ छोड़ो। Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. क्या मुसीबत है? What a bother. What a bother. गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ. Drive slowly. Drive slowly. आप जा सकते हैं. You can go. You can go. मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving now. I am leaving now. यह तुम्हारे बस का नहीं है. It's beyond your capacity. It's beyond your capacity. अगली बार. Next time. Next time. पिछली बार. Last time. Last time. मेरी गर्दन में दर्द है. My neck hurts. My neck hurts. मैंने पहले ही खा लिया. I ate already. I ate already. मैं पता लगा लूँगा. I will find it. I will find it. मैं कहूँगा. I will say. I will say. हद हो गई. This is too much. This is too much. मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. I am fine. तुम बताओ. What about you? What about you? इसे समय लगेगा. It will take time. It will take time. बिस्तर लगा दो. Make the bed. Make the bed. कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. आप बहुत समझदार हो. You are very intelligent. You are very intelligent. उसे स्टेशन तक छोड़ दो. Drop him at a station. Drop him at a station. क्या मैं कॉल कर सकता हूँ? Can I make a call? Can I make a call? मुझे लगता है कि यह गलत है. I think this is wrong. I think this is wrong. यह तुम पर निर्भर है. It depends on you. It depends on you. मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं. I don't remember anything. I don't remember anything. यह बोरिंग है. यह बोरिंग है. This is boring. This is boring. अब तुम कहाँ हो? अब तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you now? Where are you now? तुमने क्यों किया? Why did you do it? Why did you do it? यह बेकार है, यह बेकार है। This is useless. This is useless. इसे मत भूलना। Don't forget this. Don't forget this. क्या तुमने इसे पढ़ा? Did you read this? Did you read this? क्या यह आसान था? क्या यह आसान था? Was it easy? Was it easy? उसे पैसे मत दो। उसे पैसे मत दो। Don't give him money. Don't give him money. मेरे पास कुछ पैसे हैं। I have some money. I have some money. मैं क्या करूं? What to do? What to do? सच में? सच में? Really? Really? बार बार। Over and over. Over and over. तुम बदल गए हो। You have changed. You have changed. क्या मतलब? क्या मतलब? What do you mean? What do you mean? मुझे परेशान मत करो। Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. मुझे एक मौका दो। Give me a chance. Give me a chance. मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। I don't have any issue. I don't have any issue. बाद में बात करते हैं। Talk to you later. Talk to you later. ऐसा कभी मत करना। Never do this. Never do this. चलो पता लगाते हैं। चलो पता लगाते हैं। Let's find out. Let's find out. जैसा आपको ठीक लगे। As you feel like. As you feel like. खुद पर विश्वास रखो। Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. शांत हो जाओ। शांत हो जाओ। Calm down. Calm down. और बताओ। और बताओ। Tell me more. Tell me more. और कुछ। और कुछ। Anything else. Anything else. मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ। I am very lucky. I am very lucky. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो। You are very nice. You are very nice. मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो। Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। I don't care. I don't care. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ। I want to meet you. I want to meet you. इसे नीचे रखो। Put it down.
Put it down. इसे वापस रखो. Put it back. Put it back. तुम अभी तक यहीं पर हो. You are still here. You are still here. ध्यान से देखो. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying. सीधे होकर बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है. This is all your fault. This is all your fault. कृपया करके धीरे बोलिए. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. तुम बहुत बातूनी हो. You are very talkative. You are very talkative. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. यह कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? इसे मिटाओ. Erase it. Erase it. तुम इधर उधर क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking around for? What are you looking around for? मैं चाय नहीं पीता हूँ. I don't drink tea. I don't drink tea. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? फूल मत तोड़ो. Don't pluck flowers. Don't pluck flowers. तुम कितने सुस्त हो. You are so dull. You are so dull. उसका पीछा करो. Follow him. Follow him. मेरा पेट आज खराब है. My stomach is upset today. My stomach is upset today. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Don't lie. आप क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? उसकी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare he? How dare he? थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ. Stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. आप नाराज हो क्या? Are you angry? Are you angry? थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. Not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. कितने दुख की बात है. How tragic. How tragic. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not the least. Not the least. जुबान पर काबू रखो. Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. मुंह मत बनाओ.
Don't make faces. Don't make faces.
भरोसा रखो. Keep trust. Keep trust. उन्हें सब कुछ बता दो. Tell them everything. Tell them everything.
गाड़ी रोको. Stop the car. Stop the car.
तुम बहुत पतले हो. You are so thin. You are so thin. यह कब और कैसे हुआ? How and when did it happen? How and when did it happen?